Start playing in minutes. Simply unfold the pop-up frame, lay the cabinet on top, and start playing. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Premium portability. This folding table can be played anywhere, from game rooms to patios. Number 2. Sturdy, durable. Despite its portability and easy assembly, the Triumph Portable Folding Air Hockey Table sports a sturdy frame that remains solid and steady throughout gameplay. Number 3. Play in stow. Table quickly and easily folds for storage after use. Number 4. Included features. This table includes 2 pucks and 2 pushers, built-in inlay scoring to keep track of the action, and a strong blower motor for fast-paced gameplay. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.